Smoke sits heavy with the knives cast lines. Neon flickers like a wounded shrine. I walk those halls like they owe me breath. Smile, hairline crack, hiding something left. One glance, one nod, the air turns thin. Walls lean closer just to listen in. I don't raise thunder just to bend their will. I count the seconds till the world goes still. Tell me, is this strength or a shadow I made? Am I the rider or only the blade? I don't roll on the night, I measure breath and choose to fight. When chaos begs for blood to spill, quiet hands, iron will. Quiet hands, iron will. I read their heartbeats through the whiskey glare. A sainted grin, a tremor in a stare. Patience is a chisel in a craftsman's fist. I shake the fuse and file down the wrist. Ash rings the rim of a press-stained glass. The door breathes once, lets the moment pass. Respect ain't noise or a stage parade. It's quiet steel that never needs a blade. If calm turns black when the pride runs high, I'll bleed the dark and keep the wire. I don't roll on the night, I measure breath and choose the fight. When chaos begs for blood to spill, quiet hands, iron will. Quiet hands, iron will. I built a throne from favors and dread, mortared the bricks with the things I bled. They stepped aside when my boots hit stone, but a king sleeps cold on a borrowed throne. Power wore my face like a stolen skin, blessed my rage and called it wind. Mirror and smoke asked who's steering still, the man you are or the mask you fill. I'm not the echo of the fear they bring. I'm the set of the shoulder before the swing. If silence turns venom when I chase applause, I'll break that glass and choose my cause. The loudest shot I'll make tonight is the one I spare, and still win the fight. I don't roll on the night, I measure breath and choose to fight. When truth cuts through and time stands still, quiet hands, iron will. Quiet hands, iron will. Iron will. Ooh. Blood freckles the floor, the jukebox hums low. Smoke writes crooked prayers where the bad men go. My grin's a headline crack in a porcelain mask. I tip my hat once, no one dares ask. I own a hush the way a preacher owns life. Hold it in my pocket like a razor at night. I don't need thunder to make men believe. I set my breath steady, let the room breathe with me. Am I haunting light or haunting a stare? Is it heat I crave or proof I'm there? under whiskey glass. Cats that sainted grin tremble as I pass. Patience is a whetstone, turning sparks to aim. I count to one, move clean, no shame. Told my heart don't need anyone's love, but I ache for respect like rain from above. Not the roar of the crowd or a crown made of lies, just the iron that lives in a fearless pair of eyes. If I drank applause, I'll drown in the noise. I'd rather sip silence and keep my poise. I don't chase money, I don't trade my name. I walk the wire between fear and flame. If there's one law when the night draws a knife, thirst keeps me alive. Out of favors and dread, mortared the bricks with the blood I bled. They stepped aside with my boots hit stone. Funny how kings feel colder alone. Power on my face like a stolen skin. Blessed my anger and called it a win. In the mirror of smoke I finally see the stare I was chasing was meant to be me. So if worth is water in a desert of pride, I'll dig the well where my ghost can't hide. Spare the shot, not the will to survive. Choose the breath, not the cheap high. I don't chase money, I don't trade my name. From back road dust to red clay rain. When the truth stands up and the knives lose their shine, thirst keeps me alive. Thirst keeps me alive. I'm not begging for heaven, I'm not buying a throne. I drink the edge and I walk home. Buzz in a backroom church, smoke draws halos over dirt. I walk in quiet like a loaded old smile, hairline crack, hiding both. One glance, one nod, old tables lean. The hush I carry sharpens the scene. I don't shout thunder just to feel control. I count my breath, then stake my soul. Is this strength or a shadow I made? Am I the rider or only the blade? Turn warm blood into stone. Walls grow tall when you stand alone. If powers change, start claiming my bones. I own the road, not the throne. I own the road, not the throne. I own the road, not the throne. I read a heartbeat through the whiskey glare. A sainted grin twitch, it shows its snare. Patience is a chisel in a callous hand. I line up truth before I stand. Build me a fortress out of fear and dues. Mortar the bricks with old bad news. Boots hit stone, folks back away. Funny how kings freeze more each day. Did I hold the reins or guard the cage? Was I calling shots or feeding rage? The throne. Power on my face like borrowed skin. Blessed my anger, called it wind. Mirror and smoke as to I became a man with a pulse or a prisoner name. Respect's not terror or a gilded stage. It's iron in the eyes that never gauge. So I pocket the hush like a faithful knife. Choose the breath that guards alive. If these bars were forged by my own hands. I'll melt them down and take my land. Break off the step to let ashes blow. Freedom's a road that I already know. Crowns turn warm blood into stone. Cold gets loud when you sit alone. Tonight I trade the echo for the open unknown. I own the road, not the throne. I own the road, not the throne. Cigarette dying in a backroom glow. Jukebox prayers humming soft and low. I wear a smile like a cracked old plate. Not once watch a whole room wait. Man, a machine built of blood and dread. That voice I bear keeps lifting its head. I hold my breath till the noise turns clear. Count every heartbeat like gears I steer. Half of me haunts what the dark won't show. Half wants a porch light guiding me home. I won't trade my name for a borrowed cheer. I stand on the wire where the flames draw near. When the night says kneel and the doubt bites ear, I carry the fire, not the fear. I carry the fire, not the fear. I read their tales in the whiskey glass. I seen the grin twitches as I pass. Patience is steel in a craftsman's hand. I wait my second like a measure command. I don't need thunder just to prove I'm strong. I move one time and can't be wrong. But the more I win with a silent blade, the more I wonder what soul I trade. Did I build a throne that became my chain, or a road of truth cut through the rain? I won't trade my name for a borrowed cheer. I stand on the wire where the flames draw near. When the night says kneel and the doubt bites ear, I carry the fire, not the fear. I carry the fire, not the fear. Power wore my face like a stolen skin. Blessed my anger and called it wind. If I turn machine just to smother the pain, I'll break that mask and breathe again. The boy I was taps the window pane. Says save yourself, not just the game. So I spare the shot but not the wheel. Walk past the throne and climb the hill. Respect's not terror nor crowd made gold. It's keeping your center when the night gets cold. I won't trade my name for a borrowed cheer. From alley smoke to the red clay clear. If there's one creed that I hold sincere, we carry the fire, not the fear. We carry the fire, not the fear.